I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. So I've got these interesting questions under functions. So these are called composite functions. So I want to revise with you these so that even as you enter an exam, you are able to answer questions like this. So this is a wonderful lesson, and I've prepared some questions that you are going to answer after this. I see if you are going to understand. So the question is saying, given that f of x is equal to 5x minus 1 over 4x minus 2 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. The first question is saying, find fg of x to fg of 2. So these are two important questions that I want to revise with you. And after this, I'll give you some questions that you are going to practice. I see if you're going to answer them. And you can put your answers in the comment section if possible. So now, we've got this first one here. This is the first one that we are given. So that is fg of x. This is what you are given. This is what you want to find. How can you answer something like this? The first thing that you need to do, the function which is given is what? Is f. So get the function f. Do this. F of x is equal to, f of x is equal to what? You check. F of x is equal to that. F of x is equal to 5x minus 1 over 4x minus 2. They have combined it with a function g. That's why it is written fg of x is equal to, telling you that here where there is x, you are going to put the function what? G of x. Even here down here, you are going to put the function g of x. You are going to put the function g. Just here where there is x, everything is going to maintain. Make sure you understand this. So this is the same as 5 open bracket. Here where there is x, I put the function g. Where is the function g? This is the function g. So I put x plus 3 minus 1 over, I do this, for x, that is what? X plus 3. I'm putting the function g, then I say minus what? Minus 2. This is what I need to do. Hope you've seen. Just here where there is x, put the other function there. So this is what I've done. Then I start evaluating. F g of x is equal to, this is what I'm going to do. 5 times x, that is 5x. 5 times 3, that is 15. 15, I'm going to have 15 minus 1 over, this is 4x. 4 times 3, that is 12 minus 2. This is what I've remained with. Where I can now evaluate this and come up with my final answer as, hope you've seen how I've done this. So my final answer is going to be, therefore, fg of x is equal to 5x. 15 minus 1, that is 14. So plus 14 over 4x. 12 minus 2, that is 10. So plus 10. This is my what? This is my answer. This is what you need to do. So these are procedures that you need to get and understand. So I've answered the first part. Hope you've seen the way I've answered it. I move to the other part. The other part is saying, this part is saying fg of what? 2. So have you seen here there is fg, here there is fg, but here there is x, there is 2. What does it tells me? It is telling me that where there is x, I put what? A 2 that is there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write the function fg of x is equal to 5x plus 14 over 4x plus 10. I write that function. I say fg, now I put a 2 there, 2 like this, which is equal to Where there is x, I put a 2. So 5 times 2 plus 14 over 4 times 2 plus 10. What is my final answer? Fg of 2 is equal to, what is my answer? What answer am I getting? That is 10. 10 plus 14, that is 24. I do this over, this is 8 plus 10, 18. 24 over 18. This is your answer. If you want, you can leave it here. If you want, you can divide. You know, there's a number that can go into 24 and 18. You can further evaluate. But if you leave it here, there is no problem. This is the answer. Hope you've seen the way I've answered this. And this is how you are supposed to answer it. I've got a question now that I want you to practice. You answer this wonderful question and see if you are able to understand these functions. So this is just a simple part on composite functions. So I just want to see if you are able to answer such questions. Okay, so this is a question that I want you to answer. Let's see how we are going to answer this particular question. And if you are watching this, you are not under my online lessons, make sure you text me. I add you to the group. It's only 100 kwacha mathematics. You get to learn monthly with me. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me. You start attending the lessons. You can answer this week and see if you've understood. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like and comment.